So, let's also try to check for continuity dito sa function na to, no? At let's say this is our a, no? So, kung makikita nyo dito sa function f of x, no? Dito sa a na to, may butas siya dito, no? May hole. Pero, at the same time, yung value niya for a is nandun sa taas. Okay, so, kung i-check natin yung conditions natin, number 1, f of a, does it exist? Yes, it exists. Ito yung f of a, no? So, for a certain function, for this certain function, ito yung f of a niya. Okay, so, number 2, the limit of the function as x approaches a. Does this exist? Yes, mukhang, no? If we're going to check as x approaches a from the left and x approaches a from the right, para siyang nag-a-approach, yung y natin is nag-a-approach sa value na yon, no? Kung ano man yung value na yun. Let's say that is 0. Y equals 0. No? It approaches y equals 0. So, yes, this also exists. No? But, the number 3, what you call this? The third condition, is it satisfied? Is the limit of the function f of x as x approach a equal to our f of a? Kung titingnan natin, yung f of a natin is this value ng y. This value ng y, right? But the limit of f of x as x approaches a is 0. No? So, 1 and 2, they're not the same. They're not equal. And therefore, pwede kong masabi that the function is discontinuous, or, yeah, it's not continuous at x equals a. Okay, so, visually din, kung titignan natin, no, i-erase ko yung erase ko yung mga notations natin dito. Yan yung function lang eh. Sorry. Oops. Yan yung function, right? Kung makikita nyo, nawala yung yung f of a natin. Yan yung function natin kanina. Kung makikita nyo, hindi siya continuous eh. May butas siya dito eh. Di ba? Hindi siya continuous dyan sa part na x equals a. Pero, continuous siya dito. Continuous siya dito, continuous siya dito, continuous siya dito. Dito lang siya hindi continuous sa part na yan. Okay, so, ang function or yung continuity, it's something that we check per point or per value of x. Hindi natin pwedeng sabihin na the function is continuous. The function is not continuous. Saan? Di ba? Tinatanong natin if the function is continuous at a certain x equals a. Okay, so for this example, pwede natin masabi that the function is not continuous at x equals a. Why? Kasi hindi niya na-satisfy yung tatlong conditions eh. Number 1, yes, it is satisfied. There is a value of f of a and that is that value. Number 2, there is a limit. The limit of this function as x approaches a exists. And dito sa example na to, nagkataon na it is equal to 0. And the third, yun tayo nagka-problema, no? The limit of that function as x approaches a is not equal to f of a. Kaya masabi natin na the third condition is not satisfied. And therefore, we can say that this function is not continuous at x equals a. But for other examples like this, no, let's say this is b, as x approaches b, i-check natin yung continuity conditions. Number 1, is there f of b? Yes. There is a function value at f of b. Number 2, does the limit exist? The limit of the function as x approaches b. As my x approaches b, my y approaches a certain value, and that is just the same as my f of b. No? The limit of f of x as x approaches b exists also. And number 3, the limit of f of x as x approaches b is equal to f of b. No? So, yung continuity guys, chine-check natin siya per point or per value ng x. Okay? So, in order for you to say that a function is continuous at a certain value of x, these three conditions must be satisfied. Okay, and that's all for continuity of a function.